Now let's talk about numeric to character conversion. So suppose I have a data set with some phone numbers in it. The area codes are stored in as numbers, whereas the phone numbers themselves are read in as character variables. So what I want to do is convert everything to a character variable. So I do this data phones, and then I pull in this data set from over here, and then phone is going to be, I'm going to put a parentheses around the area code and put code right here, and then trim the phone number. Everything else is fine except for this code right here. What we're doing is we're using code, which is a numeric variable, as a character variable right here because we're concatenating it with other characters. So if we run this, everything actually works pretty well. We've got parentheses around the area codes and then the phone numbers. But if you look at the log statement, it says numeric values have been converted to character values at the places given by 593. So we have line 593, and then at the line 16, probably somewhere right in here. Also, if you notice, the automatic format that SAS chooses when it puts the numeric variables in as character variables is the best 12 format. What that means is it's going to have 12 spaces, and the blanks are the leading numbers. So if we were to say left code, then it would put the 303 all the way over here to the left, and then it would have 9 spaces after that because it has 12 places for things to be stored, 12 digits essentially, and then it automatically puts the blanks to the left. So if you want to get away from that, you're going to have to do something like trim and the left option and things like that. So now let's do it explicitly. In other words, we're going to assign a format for this code. We're going to have the same thing set up. All of this is almost the same, except for right in here, I'm going to pick out the format that I want for this. I want to have 3 places, that's it, no spaces, nothing running around. And then I'm going to use this put function to put the code that was a numeric variable into a character variable with 3 spaces. And so now when I run this, things look a little nicer. Also, if you look at the log statement, it doesn't have any notes about automatically converting things because we explicitly